Hi everyone, and welcome to another QuizCom product tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use an Excel spreadsheet with the QuizCom charts for SharePoint web part for SharePoint 2013. So to begin, I've already added the charts web part to the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the tool pane. And then I'm going to go to Modify Web Part Settings. Okay. From here, I'm going to click on Excel Worksheet. And then I'm going to go to the connection properties. All right. And I'm going to copy and paste the URL for that spreadsheet that I have in my document library. So in this case here, I have it already open. I'm going to right click here and click copy shortcut and then paste it into the Excel file URL. Now to keep things clean, what I like to do is I actually like to clear out the URL and enter in current site and use the current site token. Okay, then click validate. Okay, from there you want to choose which worksheet you want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use sheet 1. All right, I'll let that load, and then I'm going to click on the display columns button. Here I can choose which columns I want to display in the y-axis. So in this case, I'm going to use the profits column and the sales column. Now the x-axis is actually going to be determined by the very first column that you have in the spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to move on. We'll go to the general settings. In this case, we're going to name the title. I'm going to name this our yearly report. Okay, and we'll move on through the settings. Here you can change the way that the web part looks and feels. I'm just going to leave that alone, and then we're going to go to the x-axis settings. Now here I'm going to just label the month axis. We'll call that month, and I'm going to move on. Okay, so we'll go to the y-axis. All right, I'm going to make this the total. Then we'll go to the legend settings. I'm going to leave this blank. Okay, we're not going to have a legend for this example. And then I'm going to move on to the series display settings. Okay, here this is where you actually choose which plots are going to be added to your chart. So in this case, you want to pick which column you want to have. All right, select that and then click on the add button. Now, click on that add button is one of the most important things, as most people will tend to just select the column they want to use and then click on the OK button, and then nothing shows up. That's going to cause some questions later on. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to make sure you click the add button. Okay, I'm going to add one more here. I'm going to add sales. Okay, and I'm going to make this red. Okay, and then we'll click the add button again. All right, and then once you've already clicked on the add button, just hit OK. And we'll save these changes here. All right, and that's everything. We're good to go.